Hi, today we're going to use Voki and create a Voki. We are not creating accounts, just how to make a basic Voki. So you click create www.voki.com, and it's going to pull up. I'm going to turn the volume down so we don't hear them talking, but it then's going to pull up any custom thing. It could be a flower, it could be a person, it doesn't matter. You customize your character in the top boxes, and that allows you to go through male, female, a variety of different choices, like true avatars or VIPs, people in history that you should recognize, and if you don't, that's okay. Some of these VIPs, you know, people from politics, holiday people, you know, cats and dogs. So there's a variety of topics in here. There's classic. So today I'm just going to pick a classic, and I'm just going to build quickly. Once you pick a person, you might or might not have options with hair. So you can change the hair slightly by just pick something different so you can really see it. So the hair will automatically change based on what you're trying to do. You may have options with the lips and facial features. So in this case, it looks like you could change to, you know, grayer lips or redder lips. But ultimately, you know, you get to pick those. And there is some for facial hair. Now, you may not be able to do this on all people, so don't get upset if you can't do faces and that kind of stuff. There's also an option with clothes, so you could go from costume to sporting clothes to more casual clothes to dressy clothes. So I'll put him in a tie, and then I'll move him slightly so you can tell he's in a tie. And there are no real hats that go with the tie. Alright, I'll do a black cowboy hat. Nah, I would not wear a cowboy hat, so I'll do that. So I'm kind of done with my guy. That's going to be him. You can then use your cell phone to make a call. And in this case, you'd follow the directions. You call this number. This is your passcode. When asked for your passcode, you punch it in. And then you just record your voice and it'll appear on your Voki. You can type it in, and then you can switch the people or the, you know, who's saying it. You can use your microphone. I would allow mine. Yours may not allow you to do it. Okay, mine will, but you could use it. So it'll pick up your voice. You can also even upload a file. We're just going to type for today. Hi, this is a test Voki. Okay, so done. You got backgrounds you can pick from, and there's a lot of backgrounds again: sports, nature, holidays. You know, indoors, and so they're in a classroom, so that's more like me. I'm done. Again, you could pick a classroom or something that makes sense. My hair is a little bit darker, I think. Not that dark. It's like really reddish. It's too yellowish. It's good enough. It's close. It doesn't matter. Once you get here, your character is pretty much done. You publish. This can just be test 1. You're just giving it a name to save it for a moment. And it builds. Next screen says you've created a Voki. You don't need to do that, so just click off. Now this Voki is not saved, so if you close this page, it's gone forever. What you need is to copy this code. It says embed. We're going to embed it on your blog. And as the year goes, you'll be able to do Vokis, you know, as assignments and so on. So you got to know how to do this. You'll copy the code, and then you're going to go to your Weebly site. For a few guys, you would type weeblystudent.com. I'm running a different site, so I'm going to go to a different area. But I'm already in, so I go to edit. You might have to log in. And really, with any of these, the key is the code. So when you go to your blog, and you want to do a new post, I'm just going to call this test because we're going to delete it in a minute. It's a test Voki. You can't paste the code here. You've got to go up under the side. There's one called More, and there's a custom HTML. You drag that down. And custom HTML will read code. So it's going to read the code you paste in. So you paste the code, and then you just click right off to the side, and your Voki appears. And now you have a Voki. You can close that, and you publish live, and you have now saved your Voki onto the web. that point, you can go back. You no longer need this, so you can close it. It's gone. You publish this live, and you've saved your Voki forever. And let's just test it real quick.
This is a test Voki.
Okay, and it works. So that's how you make a test Voki.